Welcome to this series of videos to show you how you can use Five's tools to analyse, search and perform audit checks on your code. We're going to start with the Code Analyzer. The Code Analyzer report will list all the IDs for each code block you have written in Five. It will also display the type of code it is and the number of lines in your code block. In the top right corner, you can export this list to a CSV file. And you can also filter the list to reduce the number of records returned to help you locate the code block you are after quickly. If you need to go to the code, you simply click the View button located at the end of the row and you will be taken directly to the code record.